Hands up! Do as I say and Snip Snip doesn't get hurt.
Might as well be holding an air conditioner hostage.
Well, an air conditioner sounds nice, though.
Yeah, an air conditioner would be a big deal, but you know what I mean.
Totally. The question was, does she know what you mean?
Yeah. I think I do. That's why I put Abraxo draining fluid in his syringes. Snip Snip, tell them what Abraxo does to the human body.
If you've got a clog that's full of muck, trust Abraxo draining fluid to get it unstuck. It's very poisonous.
Okay. You can walk out of here.
Not just me. Them too. I said all of them.
Lady, those ones you don't understand.
You're free. Oh gosh.
Ezra!